In this video, we'll review the basics of performing speech audiometry with your Measure software. The speech audiometry screen is similar to the other modules in Measure, and the navigation principle is the same. At the top of the screen, you'll find the toolbar, where you can toggle the pure tone audiogram on and off in a speech audiometry screen. You can also adjust step size and add overlays, like the speech banana, to the displayed audiogram. In the upper left side, you'll find the test types, for example, speech recognition threshold, most comfortable loudness level, uncomfortable loudness level, speech discrimination, as well as several other speech audiometry tests. As in the other Measure modules, you can define settings for each individual test type by using the Test Definitions editor. Within Measure, the Measurement Controls panel can be operated either by using the mouse or by using keyboard shortcuts. To start the measurement, use spacebar. Scoring of words, plus or minus, or to skip the word, use the right arrow. To activate or deactivate masking, use M. Left L or right R. Binaural B. Dichotic BD. In the binaural mode, dichotic testing is available if the speech material supports this. To activate the microphone to communicate with a client, use F2 to talk over. The talk over function is indicated in the lower part of the screen. Talkback is always enabled by default, so you're always able to hear the client during testing. Level of talkback, talkover, and monitoring are found in the talk settings. You can configure settings, including keyboard shortcuts, for speech audiometry in the Tools menu. In this menu, select Settings, then Default Views to choose a graphical or numerical representation of speech audiometry results. Select the measurement standard along the left-hand side of the window to meet your country's requirements. Speech audiometry offset can be configured in Settings as well by selecting Speech Measurement under the Audiometry drop-down menu, again located to the left of your screen. Here you can also decide how you want to score the words from the word list.